Now I will show you one more trick. Suppose you want to copy the first 10 characters or 8 characters from the second row, say row B, column B, row 2 or 3 or whatever. You'll see here that the first 2-3 rows are having the correct names. For the third row onwards, it is Bhargavi, but whereas the email ID is for Chinni Sri. This third row, fifth row, you can see Rudresha, but Arun MBA. So fourth row is fine. It says Mahesh Chikkalaya and C Mahesh, that is fine. The second one, first one, Venugopal, Damodaram, they are fine. But then you see that row 7 is having Pujaha, but Pradeep Kiran. So the names are all mixed up. So now I want to fix the names. Okay, so what I do is I go to that, remove that name, and there I type left is equal to left B5, that is the row 5. Okay, and the text I want to copy is the first 10 characters. So I open brackets, mention B5, and then comma, and then first 10 characters, and then I close the brackets, and then I hit enter. Okay, now what I do is I copy that to all the rows, like all 300 rows which I have. So what it has done is it has made a mistake. So what I do is I catch this plus mark. When I move the cursor, it becomes a small plus mark, and that's not working. So what we are going to do is we are going to copy only the formula. Okay, that's the reason it's not copying. So I go back to that particular place where I have the formula, that is in row 5A5. Okay, so now I double click on it, so that completely puts the formula the same thing. See, you see 10 here, Will and 11 V Dwarkanath and Vinod Prasha, like that. In case you want to increase the number of characters, suppose you want to take 15 characters, then all you need to do is here, instead of say 10, I type 14, and then you'll find Pradeep Kiran, about 14 characters have been taken. Suppose you want to take the right side instead of the left. Suppose you want to copy the first 10 characters starting from the right side, like here from this end. If you want to copy, then you will say right here instead of left. Here you will say right, and then you will type B5 and then 10 or 5 characters, whatever you want. Anyway, so that's what I wanted to show you.